Hi, today I just want to share the major issues you people are having with verifying your YouTube page. A lot of people will get that error like your number has been used, try a different number. This majorly number issue, phone number issue, and you've tried several methods, watched several videos. The issue is not you changing the number. So let me just go to the place now, verify phone number. So the issue is not your phone number. The issue is actually not your phone number. Your phone number is okay. The simple issue is that your account is new. Your account is still new. So what I would suggest is before you verify, upload videos, put videos inside, put content inside, and leave the account to be like up to 6 months, 7 months, even a year before you start verifying. You can start posting short videos or just leave the account to marinate. So just leave the account to be for a while. You might keep getting different errors. So I've actually gotten the same error as you. But the major issue, the solution is just to wait. YouTube will is trying to probably check if you're legit or you're just a bot or something like that. But just leave the account to stay for a year or less than a year. I don't know the exact months, but just keep trying after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. It should work. So just try your number. So now I've actually kept this account for months. So now I'm able to verify. Like the error you've been having since, I also had that error. But right now I'm able to verify because I've just left the account and I stopped trying. So now you can see that it worked. So phone number is verified. So the only thing I only did is to allow the account to stay for long. So you can also do the same. So if you have any other question, just drop it down and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.